Using the Submissions tab. Why do I need to pick a story and a publisher on a submission from a drop-down list?
It may seem easier to just type in the name of a publisher and a story. However, it is important to be precise about entering your submission information. The reward for this is that the program cross-checks everything for you, preventing you from making duplicate submissions or simultaneous submissions. It also allows you to keep track of where you have sent everything. In addition, the program also effectively allows you to type in the publisher because you can type into the drop-down menu and it will skip to the first entry that matches what you type.
I see that result is required, but I haven't sent it yet. Why is that?
The result is simply the status of a submission. All submissions are either sent, pending, or accepted. Some applications allow more states, but we like to keep it simple. We recommend that you use alerts to augment this status listing. For example, if an editor writes back that you made it into a second round for evaluation, add this to the comments field and create an alert to check back with the editor when the second round of evaluations should be completed.
I haven't entered a date received yet, but there's a count of days beside the field. Why is that?
When a submission is listed as pending, this is the count of the total number of days from the dates it was sent to the current date. Once you enter in a date received, this value is frozen as the number of days between the date sent and the date received is now finished.
Why does the result field have a colored background?
This color coding makes it easy to glance at the page and recognize what you're looking at. Similarly, the text for the name field is large and shown in bold, so it stands out on the page. All information on the page is carefully ordered and sized according to how you would use it.
The editor sent me an email. Can I paste that in the notes field?
You may. The notes field is a general purpose field for capturing all of the unstructured information you may collect.
It has formatted text and a hyperlink. Will it keep that?
Yes, the text fields in the application are really rich text fields, so they retain formatting including font size, bold, and hyperlink information.
I sent my manuscript with attachments that are not listed on the form. How should I enter those?
You may reference these in the notes field, or if you find you're sending these other attachments out often enough, you may customize the attachments list with the edit button next to the attachments field label.
I see buttons for query, letter, and contract. What are those for?
The query letter field holds the specific query letter you sent to the publisher as part of this submission. This may be a Microsoft Word document or other document. Likewise for the contract, although this is typically after your submission has been accepted by the publisher.
Why do alerts appear at the bottom of the screen?
Alerts are a simple reminder of action you need to take on an item. They may reference a variety of objects, or even multiple objects. Unfortunately, if you don't see them, then they don't do you much good. Therefore, it is helpful to see any relevant reminders alongside the items they apply to, so we list them at the bottom of the page, filtered of course, to show only the alerts that apply to that item.
Why do I want to create an alert from the submissions page?
This is so you can create the alert from within a context. If you are on a submission, then the Create dialog will notice that and automatically fill in the story, the publisher, and the submission for the alert. The same idea applies throughout the program. This completes this video tutorial. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in using the Writer Scribe. Thank you for listening.